There's a lot of buzz around gold and silver. What's happening in the market that's driving it higher? Is silver going to an all-time high? And should you be buying gold or silver? I'm Steve Rand, this is Joe Elkier, and this is the Gold Spot. So we're seeing silver trend big online right now. There's a huge amount of information about it on there right now. We've broken past $35 an ounce in the first time since 2011. We've discussed this many times on previous gold spots. And I guess the question, Joe, is right now is what's driving this market?
Well, Steve, it sure is exciting. Definitely a lot of stuff coming out on a daily basis. The world is changing very quickly. We all know the huge demand, in whether industrial, military, and with that comes a lot of price suppression, things of that nature. So when you get such industry demand for something like silver, you get huge corporations, huge banks, entire markets really dependent on the price of silver. That's one of the things that, a lot of people have felt that have kept the price suppressed for quite some time. Historic ratios, gold to silver ratio, we're coming off all-time highs. We got above 103, maybe close to 104 at the high. With silver's move over the last week, that's come down to 90s. Does it have a lot of catching up to do? Huge amounts of catching up to do to get back to where it really is, where its value is. One of the big key factors that's got a lot of people excited from just a technical analysis is silver's finally starting to break out from its cup and handle pattern. And a big value of the cup and handle pattern is it is one of the most definitive charting patterns you can get to point to the upside. We most recently experienced a very powerful cup and handle with gold, and we've seen gold take off very substantially. Silver now is coming out of the same type of setup, a cup and handle. It is now just starting to break out of that handle. So we are definitely seeing a big sentiment change when it comes to silver. It's very exciting, huge upside potential. You've got lots of experts and analysts, projecting higher prices now when it comes to silver.
Yeah, the experts are really coming out of the woodwork right now and coming out with a lot of big projections. But some of the ones you probably know, Robert Kiyosaki from Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he's saying that this year or in 2025 that the silver price could go 3 times what it is right now currently. And Peter Spina from Gold Seek and Silver Seek is saying that silver could go to $50 on the short term, but then $100 potentially on a short squeeze. Now, it's not just silver that we should be looking at either, Joe. It's also gold. Because if you look right now, central banks, again, it's been going up on a relatively big basis over the last several years, but it's just at a vertical move right now that's just off the charts. And that's something that central banks are signaling. We see huge problems with the world economy, and we're accumulating gold for that reason. They don't want to be in paper.
Click on the link below, request our silver report. We're happy to answer any questions. It's never been a more important time, in my opinion, to be understanding how physical gold and silver can protect you. The dollar's losing value on a daily basis. We see it around the world. The governments are shifting. Give us a call, go to our website. We're happy to help answer all your questions. We'll see you next week.
If you enjoyed today's Gold Spot, like or subscribe to both our YouTube and Rumble channels. Also, comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to hear us talk about a specific topic in a future video.